Do you know any story behind that house right there?
Been empty for the entire time I've lived here.
How long you been here?
2.5 years.
Oh, it's been empty for a while then.
It's empty. The city has to mow it every once in a while, and
Is it pretty overgrown?
Hey everyone, this is Spencer with SB Mowing, and this vacant home has been neglected for years, so I thought I'd get it cleaned up for the neighborhood. I started with the really overgrown edging on the sidewalks and the curbs. This makes drainage in the area so much better, and it also allows for people to use the sidewalks again. Next, I removed all the vines from the outside of the house and cut down all the volunteer trees. Finally, I mowed it down with my Hustler mower, and the transformation was amazing. The neighbors told me it's never looked this good, and they were so happy with how it turned out. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as this is the best way to support this work that I do, and stay till the very end of this video to see the awesome before and after shots. I hope you all enjoy this one, and I'll see you next time. SB Mowing, out.